What's going on, everybody? Kevin, Outdoor Inspirations. How's your daylily going? Mine's going great. But, you know, daylilies, kind of an overlooked plant, unappreciated, I must add, but a wonderful plant. It's very hardy, comes in a lot of different colors. It blooms for quite a bit of time over the summer. Wonderful perennial, takes a lot of different moisture content levels. Prefers a little bit of moisture, and don't let it dry out, okay? But this one's Stelladora. Stelladora is one of a legend in the daylily world. It's been around forever. Has this beautiful, dark, buttery gold color to the blooms. Very trumpet-like, and it's calling to attention. It will get bigger and bigger as it matures. So this starts at a small clump, and then it'll grow and mature bigger and bigger, giving you more and more flower power, which is important. Likes sun, prefers some full sun. Now, in contrast to that, we're going to show you a wonderful perennial that likes more shade, and this is a hosta. So this one's actually called Gold Standard, and I just love this color. Look at the varying degrees of yellow to green. You even got margin in the leaf to give you that interest. You know, shade areas are tough because they're darker and you need things that pop and bring more color and vibrancy to the space. Hostas are a great way to add some low interest in those shady gardens. It will take a little bit of sun. Definitely give it all afternoon off from the sunlight. You got to have no afternoon hot sun. But this will again grow bigger as it matures, and this is going to get about, you know, a foot to even 3 feet in mass on this hosta, whereas this, you know, daylily is more of a 24 to 30 inch, but it's more pyramidal. What's that called? Vertical. Is it vertical?
It's vertical.
I did great at math. I know I did. So yeah, you got two different kinds of growth here. You got your hosta, which is big, sprawly, brawly. This one's more your upright type grower. But you know, sun versus shade. Plants have a lot of adaptability to them. So, you know, pick and choose according to your needs. And if you have any other killer perennials you want us to cover or talk about, put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, all things grow with love, and we can't wait to see you guys in the next video.